today's little project. I'm going to be getting all that hair out of the drain. Tools of the trade for that are going to be needle nose pliers and this dental pick that I got from like a dollar store. You can get a couple of these in a pack. I'm going to go ahead and pull that stuff out. Basically what I'm going to do is get in here and pull at it. You can see how it's coming right out. And then I'll use my pliers to pull it the rest of the way. Because it's a lot. It's a lot. Got Chewbacca living in the drain. But this is keeping the drain from going as fast as it could. So if you ever have a slow drain in your tub, check this. It's probably more likely what the cause is. If you have a stopper or some sort of screen or something in here, it's going to be designed to go ahead and catch that hair so it doesn't end up going into the pipe and clogging up the pipe. And you want to catch this stuff before it clogs up the pipe. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. There we go. Delicious, right? Took me about 4 minutes. So if you got a problem with your drain not going down, get yourself a little dental pick from the dollar store. Cheap pair of pliers. These are actually good ones, but get a cheap one and you can solve your problem in about 4 minutes. I'm not going to leave you hanging.